Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you make water leaf juice. When you finish picking your water leaf, you make sure you wash it clean, add a little salt to it to wash it. So when you finish washing it, you slice it, and before you make the juice out of it. So now I'm washing my water leaf. See how it is. I'm washing my water leaf now. See how it is. Very fresh one. So when I finish washing it, I'm going to slice it. So like this video, give a thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not forget to subscribe. If you've not subscribed to our channel, subscribe so that you not miss any of our videos. Thank you. So I'll start to slice it before making the juice out of it. So after you finish slicing the water leaf now, I'm going to add my water, bring out my juice. So I'm adding my clean water now. The water is clean. I will give a little squeeze. I'm doing so. After that, I will squeeze out my water leaf, as you can see. So I'll take my sieve to sieve it out. Oh, wow. You see that their juice is ready, full with minerals and vitamins. Say goodbye to diabetic. So the juice now is ready. See that?